Today for the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is doing right now exactly what I've been predicting in the live video I was pushing 2 hours ago. Make sure you check that video. I will leave it in the pinned comment down below. But the question right now is, of course, is Bitcoin going to knock out the previous all-time highs? Are we going to reach my price targets? And more importantly, how to trade it if we are standing on the sidelines right now. As you remember, I was actually myself posting and updating you yesterday and also today about these bullish movements in the last videos, and also today I was posting over on Twitter at MMCrypto. Follow me over there if you are doing it not yet. Potential Bitcoin bull flag unfolding. I told it to you before the breakout. As you can see, this is the price target, and then I updated you when we confirmed the breakout, and right now Bitcoin is breaking out exactly as I've been predicting it for the last couple of hours and also for the last couple of days. I will be talking about my trade on Phemex here right now. I also have trades open over on Bybit, more than $2.5 million in a profit. And yes guys, you heard me right, I increased the size actually a few hours ago. $7 million in that trade locked up right now. Why did I do that? Well, I will be talking about that. Let me quickly go back here to the 50-minute candles for Bitcoin. And guys, why am I actually so bullish on Bitcoin for the last few years? Well, fundamentally, of course, because fiat is going to see zero. This is shredded 500,000 euros, 600,000 US dollars in cash. They are worth this because they are shredded. If they wouldn't be, that's what I'm telling you, in a few years, they would be as well. So that's why buying and holding is of course the way to go. But if you want to be outperforming Bitcoin here in the immediate short term, this video is for you. So make sure you also scroll down, and in the pinned comment down below, you will get 700 US dollars for free. Scroll down, Bybit, Phemex, the exchanges where I'm trading on, 700 US dollars for free after your initial deposit in the pinned comment down below. If you claim these bonuses, you are eligible. If you click our link down below for all future bonuses in the future, make sure you take advantage of that. And now let me go straight here into the content for Bitcoin. So what I was talking about earlier, and let me quickly recap here on the 4-hourly candles what is actually happening here. What I was talking about earlier, auto scale, was of course this big rising wedge, which I unfortunately deleted there it is. So the rising wedge is right here, you see, and we broke down, and I was getting very cautious. Where I was not cautious anymore was after the bounce of this support area, and when Elon Musk treated his support furthermore with his crazy Tesla news, I went bullish. I called for this W breakout, which you can see only on the 50-minute candles. The price target was hit. Then I was calling for this breakout. I was calling for the bull flag breakout, which you can see on the 50-minute candles. I showed it to you initially with the price target of approximately 60,400 US dollars. And of course, you remember my eventual price target of the 60 AB equals CD move is 69,500 US dollars. But let me evaluate with you whether this breakout on the 50-minute candles is actually a legitimate one. First of all, we have a candle close outside. We have even the hourly candle close outside. We are breaking down, confirming the breakout. Then we are getting a volume supported bounce. Quick question, is it volume supported? Let me go over back. Well, it is kind of volume supported, but I would, as always, I would like to see more volume. It's just Bitcoin right now. We need more volume in Bitcoin. We are not really getting it, but at least some volume is coming in here. At the breakout candle, you can see big volume coming in. So we can see it. And also a break above the previous rejection point. So if you are in a profitable trade right now, according to my prediction I was pushing out earlier over on YouTube and over on Twitter, congratulations to you. The price target of that specific trade is 60,400. As always, guys, you can, if you want to play it safe, put your stop loss in a break even here approximately at this 57,800 US dollars. If you have a stop loss in break even, well, you can make sure that you're not losing money. I'm personally not trading with stop losses, but you remember rule number 1 of Warren Buffett is don't lose money. Rule number 2 by Warren Buffett is don't forget rule number 1. This is why I just wanted to tell you, if you want to play it more safe, put in a stop loss. But this is looking very well so far. And my take profit would be approximately among the 60,400 US dollar levels. Something I wanted to tell you guys, I shared extremely important information, extremely bullish on-chain information actually from the Bitcoin blockchain in the previous video. You have to understand what this is about. So make sure you watch the previous live video I was actually pushing out earlier. And also smash up the like button to an absolute freaking all-time high if you want my in-time updates from the phone whenever something is happening in the charts. And then I will be delivering on my promises. If you are destroying this YouTube algorithm today, I can make sure that I am pushing more videos out to you in the future, because I need this feedback, guys. I need to know from you if you want more of these updates as well. And only if the views are coming, I know, okay, YouTube understands it, but also you guys want to see more of these videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.